Hi, I'm Serene. Welcome to my green kitchen where everything I make is completely plant-based. Today I'm going to be making feta cheese out of tofu. And for this recipe, you're going to want to press your tofu really well. There are a couple of tutorials on how to do it without a special press. I actually use a special store-bought press. I got this on Amazon for about $30. I don't recommend getting one if you don't eat a lot of tofu, but if you do, this is actually a really great investment. So I press this overnight. You don't need to press it for that long. You just want to make sure you get as much moisture out as you can. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First, slap your tofu on a cutting board and cut it in half lengthwise. And then cut it into cubes. I cut it in half and then cut each half into fourths, and then turned it on its side and did the exact same thing. Cut it in half and then cut each half into fourths. To a bowl, add lemon juice, olive brine. I'm using Kalamata, but you can use black olive brine. Miso paste, oregano, parsley, and black pepper. Then mix all of your ingredients up until your miso paste is completely dissolved. Once your ingredients are combined, toss in your tofu pieces and then mix it until all the tofu is well coated. And that's it. Now all you have to do is put your bowl of tofu into the refrigerator and let it marinate for at least 3 hours up to 24 hours. And that's all there is to that. You can use this in a lot of different recipes. You can toss it in a salad, throw it in a pasta salad. If you like falafel wraps, you can put it in a falafel wrap. I haven't tried it on pizza, but I'm interested to see how it would be on a pizza. But yeah, I hope you really like this recipe. If you did, let me know in the comments below and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting these out every Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye.